Hello. I was just playing with my stuff. I didn't see you guys there. I was just staying by. So I was like, I was like, what's going on? Well, instead of that, let's just start with the new brand stuff. Okay, back to starting. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Dropping Joy, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite slimes. Not my favorite, but one of my slimes. This is one of the slimes. This was the first slime I made that I really like. I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to be like, okay. This is a Ziploc container. I could poke it loudly. It's very stretchy, guys. Look at this. It's so stretchy. It could also make, guys, the click sounds. Hey guys, back to my camera. That was a hard one. Okay, let's turn the camera now. Okay, so I'll show you how far I could stretch it. Okay, that's not that stretchy, but still, that was the first time I made. So I had this quite a few long years, like maybe 1 year already. I'm going to show you guys how to make a bubble, and then I'll show you guys how to make a bubble. Guys, if there's any background noises, I have a really big family. As I said in my first channel, I'll link my first channel down below. And yeah. Somebody's here. You did not see me for sure. Guys, I'm going to try to make a bubble now. Because my slime is not that stretchy. For your information, my slime is like, it's not even stretchy, so like, stay right here. I'll just get something to fix it. Back, guys. I hope you guys comment down below what your favorite color is. Just answer my first channel. Whatever. Comment down below whatever you want. And guys, what's the car noise? Oh yeah, my baby brother playing with this annoying cards. Every time I'm trying to sleep, he just hops up with it. Like what? Why? I'm trying to make bubbles for like so many times, and it's not working because the sound is not that big. I almost made it. Sorry guys, so get your patience. I'm so say, this is not my favorite slime. My favorite slime, I will review all my slimes in another day. Not that many, just saying, guys. So and every time like this dries up, I'll fix it with you guys. Or when it gets too sticky, I can fix it. When it gets too sticky, I can't fix it. But when it dries up, I can. So hopefully it dries up, don't get too sticky. It's kind of dried up now, but like, I need a bubble, quickly. Deflated. Why? Guess what my neighbor fed me up today? So this boy in my neighborhood, his name is Gosh, right? We were saying his name. And we said to Shank, because he was like a really annoying boy. But he subscribed to my channel, so yeah. He says, Brandon says, oh gosh, it's reported anyways. So he didn't. But after he started screaming, "Then you call Gosh," and we're thinking, whenever Gosh comes and he says, "Who is there?" my brother. And then we said, what if Akash comes and he says, who said my name? And like, I said your name. Why did you say my name? Because I can't. That's why I said your name. Now let's fight. Oh, run. And then Brianna's in the corner saying, go. It's really funny. Brianna does it more funny than me, but I made it up. I'm just trying to make a bubble, but I can't make it. If you guys are with me to make a bubble. I made one. No. Who wants to see Slummius? Okay. This camera. Stop zooming in, okay? Okay. That's just disgusting. So guys, make sure.
Bác à, mở cửa mở đèn trong đây là mấy điện đáy kìa.
What the heck was that? And I was like, oh baby. I don't know who was that, but just went to the door and just like, Dad, you're interrupting. And then couldn't scream at him because he made that. Guys, this is one of my least favorite slimes because it's so dried up. I'm not. Who would like slime that's dried? I would actually. But like, because I could fix it, I like making slimes instead of playing with it. Make sure to hit that like button if you like slime. And if you're a boy, just hit that like button still. And subscribe if you like slime too. I just made a bubble, but I didn't show it to you guys. If you like slime, click that like button. And if you're a boy, just... And if you subscribe... Oh, and I forgot to give out the shoutouts. The shoutouts will be coming in my next video. I'm making a raffle about it. Because people who will be in the shoutouts are people who subscribe to me. So, I'm scared who's it going to be. It's going to be Shank, Brianni, Inayat, Sahana, Aziz, Selena. There could be, let's see. I'm thinking of somebody who's my friend. Let's see. Ikam, Hargan. It could be my parents. It could be my brothers. And yeah, I'm just going to give them a shout out. And yeah. Okay, one more bubble. And then I have to say goodbye. Because we're eating soon. So yeah. And it is nighttime. So, please hit that subscribe button or you guys will miss a video. Because I'm putting a slimes making a video. Oh my gosh. I was going to get the camera. I just made... Ready? What's wrong with the jelly beans? Go away, Dropping Kingston. No one wants you here. He doesn't know. That's not how he does it. He's sweating. My body's 5% now. I should start charging my iPad in the morning. I'm like, guys, I can't bring my iPad to Kansas Wonderland because I'm going on Sunday. So I will bring my dad's phone to Temple. And I will film. What's wrong with the bad boys? Guys, 1 second. That's how you do it. Oh my gosh, he's gonna fall. That's funny. Back to my videos. That's my video. Let's say goodbye for now. And then I beat up my brother. Bye bye guys. And if you guys see my next video, my brother will get a big black eye on his white eye on left eye. But see you guys later. Bye.